Now let's understand the possessive adjective rules in French. Okay, so first rule of possessive adjective in French: possessive adjective come before the noun. For example, mon livre, which means my book. Here possessive adjective mon. Ta maison means your house, and here the possessive adjective before the noun. Now we will understand the rule 2. Now let's understand the rule 2. The possessive adjective agrees with the noun. So in French, possessive adjective changes according to the noun, genders and numbers. If the noun is masculine, we use masculine cases: mon, ton, so, notre, votre, la. If the noun is feminine, we use feminine cases: ma, ta, sa, notre, votre, la. And if it is plural, me, te, se, no, vo, la. If it is plural, it doesn't matter, it is masculine or feminine. We use possessive adjectives. Okay. For example, son livre, his, which means his or her book. Here we see the livre is masculine, so we use son livre. Okay, his or her book. Sa voiture. Okay, and here we see voiture is feminine and singular, so we use sa voiture, which means his or her car. Okay, now next very important rule: use mon, ton, son before feminine noun starting with a vowel or silent h. So if the noun is feminine but it starts with vowel or h silent, we use masculine singular. Okay, mon, ton, son. So for example, mon ami, my friend. Here ami is feminine but started with vowel. We use mon. Next, son histoire, which means his or her story. So here we see h is silent, so we use masculine singular. So all the vowel cases or h silent, we use masculine singular. Now let's understand the rule 4. Use plural possessive adjective with plural nouns. This is a very simple rule. Use plural possessive adjective with plural noun. If the noun is plural in numbers, we use plural possessive adjective. It doesn't matter it is masculine or feminine, we use plural possessive adjective. So it is very easy. For example, mes amis, here you mes amis, my friends, leur voiture, their cars. Now let's understand with some more examples. Elle aime son livre, okay, which means she loves her book. And here you can see I use masculine singular. Why? Because we see what livre is masculine singular. So possessive adjective changes according to the noun, and their livre is masculine singular, so we use son livre. Okay. Next, il aime sa voiture. Let's understand possessive adjective with some example. Livre, which means book. So my book, and what we will write in place of my? So for my, French possessive adjectives are masculine singular mon, feminine singular ma, and plural mes. So here first we will see livre is masculine and singular. So for masculine singular, mon livre. Okay. Next, des maison, my house. So what we will write in place of my? So maison is feminine. Maison is feminine and singular. So what we will write? For feminine, ma, ma maison, my house. Next, amis, dash amis, my friends. And what we will write in place of my? So here we see amis and it is plural. So what we will write? Mes amis. For the plural case, we always write mes amis. Okay. Next, sa, his sister. In place of his, what we will write? Here, for his, her, son, sa, se. And sa is feminine and singular. So we will write sa, sa. Sa, sa. Okay. Next, say dash voiture. In voiture means car. His car. In place of his, what we will write? So his, her, son, sa, se. For masculine singular, son. For feminine, sa. And for plural, se. And the voiture is feminine and singular. So what we will write here? Sa voiture. Say sa voiture. Next, voici dash enfant, her children. What we will write in place of her? So first we will see here enfant is plural, and for the plural cases, say. For the plural cases, me, te, se. For his, her, se. So voici ses enfants. Ses enfants. Voici ses enfants. Okay. Next, elle parle avec des amis. Elle parle avec des amis. Her friend. In place of her, what we will write here? So first we will see ami. Noun is starts with vowel. It is feminine but starts with vowel. So according to the rule, masculine singular. So elle parle avec son ami. We don't write here sa ami. It is plural. It is feminine, but we will write son ami because according to the rule, if the noun starts with vowel or h silent, we will write masculine singular possessive adjective. That's all for today. If you have any queries about this lesson, please write down in comments and like, share and subscribe. Au revoir, bientôt.